Good morning. Let's get right into your pre-market briefing and what's moving the markets today.
Okay, futures are signaling a massive risk on open. The Dow is up over 1,200 points.
And tech is absolutely leading the charge. Look at the huge lift in the NASDAQ 100.
The S&P 500 is right there with them, pointing to a big, broad-based rally at the bell.
So what's the driver? A breakthrough 2-week ceasefire agreement between the U.S. and Iran.
But, officials are being cautious. Vice President Vance is already calling it a fragile truce.
And the key condition? Iran has to reopen this critical shipping lane immediately.
This news has set off a huge chain reaction. Let's look at this multi-asset relief trade.
And this tells the whole story. Stocks are soaring while oil and bond yields are dropping.
Wow, look at oil. WTI crude is plummeting nearly 18%. That's a huge deal for energy stocks.
This relief trade is also hitting the U.S. Treasury market. That flight to safety is reversing. Yep, yields are down sharply as investors move money out of bonds and back into stocks.
But it's not just about the ceasefire. The U.S. economy is also providing some solid support.
Let's talk about a key theme, consumer resilience. It just keeps defying those slowdown fears.
For instance, Delta sees no drop in summer demand. Add in low unemployment, and the consumer looks strong.
So, what's the bottom line for today? It's all about whether this ceasefire will actually last.
2 weeks is a long time in a situation this volatile. Headline risk is huge.
All right, what else is on deck? We've got the FOMC minutes coming out at 2 p.m. Eastern. Honestly, don't expect any big surprises there. The market has the geopolitical driver it needs right now.
Which leaves us with the big question for the day. Is this a real trend or just a fragile truce?